front of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this Motorola smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down right away. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, you need to select Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders over here to manage them and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always just go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Then select photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Now we'll go with that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Finally, click on the switchers next to keyboarders and tap on Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, the move of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!